My name is Dean. I'm 41 years old. I'm putting this video together to show my appreciation to the guys over at the Medical Health Institute. Maybe share my decision to get treatment. I've been active my entire life. As I got older, I started to notice changes in myself mentally and physically. And I think every guy can relate to that. I started to feel tired, low energy, somewhat depressed and angry, to be honest with you, at times. I just felt like I was going through the motions. I think every guy can relate to that to some extent. In my workouts and in life. Been involved with the sport of boxing for 32 years now. It's got to the point where I'm forcing myself to do some of the things that I enjoy in life, and that kind of takes a toll on a man like me. I just rationalized it by saying, this is what happens when you get older. It's normal, and it is to some extent, right? But it just wasn't acceptable for me. I just had to make a change. So a buddy of mine, he turned me on to the staff over at the Medical Health Institute. I had some blood work done, talked to a doctor, we sat down, we put a treatment plan together that fits me. I've been on it, I guess I got a few months in now, and I gotta tell you, I feel fantastic. I mean, energy levels are up, I feel strong, of course. I feel my head is clear, I'm sleeping better, just all along. Well, the quality of my life has just gotten better, okay? With that being said, I just encourage anybody who can relate to this or understands a little bit of what I'm talking about to give them a call over there. At least sit down, talk with them, see what they have to offer. If it's not for you, it's not for you. Thanks for your time. Everybody have a good day.